So here's how you make $100,000 salary per year as a barber in 2026. Hey, what's up guys? My name is Vera, and I hope that in this video you're gonna realize and see the actual math of making 6 figures per year as a barber. Alright, now let me reframe it and say that this is not gonna work for most barbers, especially beginner barbers, if they don't have a social media established brand right now, or if they're not busy enough in the barbershop. So if that's something that you have to work on first, I would recommend you guys to do so. So in this video, I'm gonna break it down and tell you exactly how many haircuts you need to get to 6 figures per year as a barber. All right, so let's do some reverse engineer right now. All right, $100,000 equals around $8,000 a month. $8,000 a month divided by 4 weeks of the month equals $2,000 per week. And $2,000 per week, and let's say that you're charging $50 a haircut, realistically, you need 40 people at $50 to make $100,000 a year. All right, now the real question is, how are you going to get 40 people every single week consistently for 52 weeks so that you can make 6 figures as a barber in 2026? Well, I'm gonna show you real quick how you can get 40 persons to get to your chair every single week so that you can make $100,000 as a barber. The first thing that you have to do is you have to go out there and find customers besides what you already have. Most people stay stuck because they don't know how to get more customers and they feel comfortable with the amount of customers that they already have. And that's wrong, because you're not bringing new business. At that point, your business is not growing. And if your business is not growing, it's dying. So you have to fix that. The first thing that you need to do is get out of your comfort zone and look for more people that might be interested in coming to get a haircut by you. It doesn't matter if you just see it as another customer. You could make great connections, great network if you actually learn to talk to people. Talking to people is another skill set, so that could help you in that way or form as well. You can talk to 40 people per week and close 50% of those and have 20 people new into your chair. That's the best way to actually get more customers in your chair consistently by already keeping the one you have. And that's what happens when you have enough demand of customers, and then you have way more demand because of the new people that you're talking to. Now you have so much demand that now people require you to pay you more to get them in. That way, all right, you raise your prices. If it took you 40 persons at $50 to make $100,000 a year, it might not even take you 30 at $60 per haircut. Now you're working less and making more. This is one of the secrets of business and barbering as well. This is how you're gonna make $100,000. But you have to go out there, get out of your comfort zone, and look for new people. Step number 2, position yourself as a brand on social media. You have to not only be posting videos about memes or about dumb stuff, but you have to prioritize your business, because your Instagram is your business. If you don't realize that yet, you're not living in 2026. Instagram, social media is a way to get customers to your whatever business idea you're implementing. In this case, it's barbering. So you have to utilize Instagram to get you more customers consistently without you having to go out there and talking to people. Now imagine if you do the 2 at the same times. You are getting customers from talking to people, you're getting better at networking, and you are getting people from Instagram because of how well and established your brand is. That's the best way to get customers and to make $100,000 a year as a barber. Remember, it only takes you 40 people at $50 a week. That's equivalent to $2,000 times 4 equals $8,000. And $8,000 times 12 equals $96,000, and that's not including tips and after hours and more people and walk-ins. You can make a great salary as a barber only if you want to and only if you put in the work. My name is Isaac Vera and I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to join my Academy of Six Figure Barber Club, where we all discuss how to create more businesses as a barber and how to actually become a six-figure barber and join a community of barbers that want to grow, I'm gonna give you the link in the description down below. So I'll see you guys in there. Take care.